Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips to make your life easier as a mom. This video is in collaboration with Carla McKenzie. Make sure you check out her channel. So the first tip I have for you guys is something that you might already know about, but actually I discovered this hack I actually learned on accident. My kids put the box of Go-Gurts in the freezer, and when it was time for lunch, they were a little worried that they were frozen, but what we learned is if you freeze them and then put them in their lunchbox, they are the perfect cold temperature at lunch. So that's one thing. Secondly, they're amazing popsicles. So when you get these Go-Gurts, or whatever kind that you use, these yogurts out of these squeezies, put them in the freezer. They are the perfect popsicles for your kids. And if you freeze them when they're in their lunchbox, they are the perfect temperature when it's time for lunchtime. That's one hack. Another hack I have. So if you're a mom like me that does pick up and drop off for your kids, sometimes the car lines can be pretty boring, especially if you're going early to make sure you get a good spot. So one thing to kind of take up the time is I pack a little car care kit. So if I'm sitting there and I have nothing else to do, I get out my dashboard wipes and I wipe everything down. I'm getting things done when I'm kind of stuck in one spot. So I'll wipe everything down. Third hack. This one I'll have to show you.
I'm going to get started for you. Hi, good morning. Can I get a venti iced caramel latte with almond milk? Sure, what else for you? On that, can I just get 2 pumps of caramel and no ice? So go ahead and fill it up to the top and put in a cup of ice on the side?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright. Like maybe for them again.
Thanks. I will show you what a big difference this makes. So I get my venti and I don't drink it all. I just like to sip on it. And when they fill it all the way to the top, it's all the way to the top. Then they will give me a tall or a grande cup of ice. I will take my venti and pour it in there. I will fill it completely up to the top of that cup of ice, and it only takes that much out of my venti.
One thing I do to make my life just a little bit easier is when I am doing laundry, as daunting of a task that may be, I pull everybody's clothes right side out. That way when laundry is washed and dried, I'm not pulling all the clothes right side out. That's one tip that really helps. So if you do a little work on the front end, your life's a little bit easier on the back end. So that's another little tip, a little mom hack I wanted to give you guys. And another little hack I have for you is if you're like me that may need to take medications daily but often forget whether you've taken them or not, what I like to do on the bottle is take a Sharpie. Let me show you what I do. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do 7 days. And I have an AM and a PM. And so basically, if I know I need to take my medication every morning, and on most of them, it's usually just once a day. So I will make sure I just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to make sure I've taken it all, I will check it off. Because sometimes I lay in bed at night and think, did I take my medicine this morning? And I cannot remember for the life of me. But if you mark on there every single day when you've taken your medicine, you take the guesswork out. So you have to take a medication for 7 days or however long you need to take it. Just make yourself a little chart and then just X it off so you know that you've taken it and you take the guesswork out. That's the whole point of mom hacks, is taking the guesswork out and making your life just a little bit easier. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed these life hacks. If you like these types of videos, along with cleaning, organizing, cooking, DIY crafts, and other lifestyle mommy tips, make sure you click that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my little family. I love you so much and I appreciate you. Bye.